Okay, problem 18 from the 2023 exam is 2 years ago, and we were at 37% correct, and the state was at 38. So we match the state. We're starting to match the state here. Notice that we used to score higher. Now we're matching what the state does. Negative 5x plus 4x plus 4 is less than or equal to 12. These small numbers, you don't know what's not a solution. So being able to graph the inequality works. Here we start plugging in negative. We're never going to get the right answer. So we're going to just flat out work these out. Polypat this is a tiles problem. Right? So I will model with tiles, and then I'll say what I would love to see in the state test. And then we'll take it from there. Okay? So negative 5x plus 4x. Negative 5x plus 4x. Here it is. You guys ready? Okay, negative 5x plus 4x. So we got negative 5x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we got 4x. 2, 3, 4. And then the rest of it is plus 4. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Copy. 4, 8, 12. Okay. What do I see on this side? Well, I know that this 4x and this negative 4x will cancel out, even with just x on this side. That means over here, I'm combining like terms. You did this in 6th grade. All right, so that's going to give me that negative x plus 4 less than or equal to 12. I know I'm at minus 4 at this point. Negative x is less than or equal to 8. Let's make sure we get this over here. Make that into a copy, but make them negative, and copy for this side as well. And so there's my minus 4 on this side, and my minus 4 on this side, and there's my negative x equals 2. And let me get rid of everybody here. Eight. All right, but negative x is less than or equal to 8. It should be 8. I didn't get rid of one of these guys. It should be 8. And there it is, 8. Okay, so let's keep going. We have that conversation over here, right? That when I have this situation here, I need to make this guy positive. Make this guy also the opposite, which is going to be what now, negative. But if I flip you and I flip you, I got to flip you, and you become greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to negative 8. That's it. So you have to know what values go where. Here's my negative 8. Negative 10 will go on this side, is 0 on this side. So like negative 7's on this side, negative 6 is on this side. You have to know your number line. So my answer is anything that is x is greater than anything on the right side of that negative 8 is a solution. So again, if I can draw my number line, I say you flip, and you flip. See, if they know the tiles, man, this is easy. Here is negative 8 greater than or equal to any value on this side. On this side. So here's negative 8. It's negative 8, negative 8. It's equal to. So you're not an answer. Negative 9's over here. So you might be an answer. Negative 6 is over here. You're an answer. You're a solution. So you're not an answer. Get it? Negative 7 is right there. You're also a solution. You're not an answer. It wants to know what's not a solution. Negative 9. We don't do well on this one. We're in the 40s on this one. Lesson 4 because we didn't get to develop that rule with the tiles. And now that I know that little rule of the tiles, and if I know how to graph it, I have a shot at this problem. Honestly, I think if you use the tiles this year and you give the kids a problem like this one, I think we get 60% this time around. And then as we hone in on our skills and get better at teaching this, I think by the next couple of years, we should be able to hit the 80%. But if you're watching this year as a teacher for the first time, you're going to try the tiles this year, which I really do hope you do. Give them this problem. If you hit anything 60% or higher, you're doing all right. Your kids are understanding conceptually how this kind of works. Not an easy problem, because it's a high concept problem, but a problem that's very doable only if we use the tiles and we follow that CPA process. That's why we did the RB's training. That's why I'm on you guys about all this stuff. It's because the concept is more important than the skill. And if the kids get the concept that we derive using those tiles, we'll be fine. Please use the tiles.